Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to International Islamic University, Islamabad School's Sahiwal Campus online lectures. This is the lecture for English grade 4 and we are doing unit number 14, which is extract from a novel, and the name of this paragraph is Storm Coming. Dear students, we already have done one lecture from this unit, so today we are going to cover lecture number 2. And in the first lecture we have done reading and we have done word meanings from this unit. I gave a reading from you people of this unit and I elaborated the text of this unit. So in this lecture, as it is the second lecture, so we will move towards the exercise from this unit. And in the exercise, the very first section is questions and their answers. As you people have read this lesson, I already have explained you this lesson, so it will not be very difficult for you people to answer these questions, because these questions are directly taken from the lesson and you know everything about this lesson. And these questions are on your students book page number 77. So before we begin, make sure that you have your English students book, your classwork notebook and your complete stationery available with you, your sharpened pencil, your sharpener and your eraser should be with you. Listen to the teacher attentively and write down the things asked by your teacher in your notebook or in your book or in your workbook, wherever your teacher sees you. So just open your students book page number 77, mark date and day on the top of this page, pause the video and mark date and day. Now open your English classwork notebook and prepare your classwork page by writing date and day on the top of this page. The topic is extract from a novel and subtopic is questions. Pause the video and prepare your classwork page, then write your index properly. Okay, now let's begin. Come to the page number 77 where the questions are given, and question number 1 is, where does Kashif's mother get information about the storm? Okay, write down this question in your notebook. Pause the video and write down the question in your notebook. Where does Kashif's mother get information about the storm? काशिफ की मदर को, उनकी फैमिली को स्टॉर्म के बारे में कैसे पता चला था? न्यूज़ कहाँ पे ब्रॉडकास्ट हुई थी? Yes, it was on radio in a news bulletin. So write down the answer, which is she got the information about the storm from the radio. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आपने जब भी कोई क्वेश्चन लिखना है या उसका आंसर लिखना है तो आप वीडियो को पॉज करेंगे और पीसफुली वो क्वेश्चन और उसका आंसर लिखेंगे और फिर आप वीडियो को रीप्ले करेंगे और नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे जाएंगे. सो आई एम गोइंग टू मूव टुवर्ड्स द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. राइट डाउन दिस क्वेश्चन इन योर नोटबुक and the question is, what has happened to most business places? Okay, जब काशिफ के डैड शाम में घर वापस आए तो उन्होंने क्या बताया कि what has happened to most business places? Most of the business places were locked up. So the answer is they closed early and locked up well. क्यों हुए थे वो lock up? To send the workers home to prepare for the storm. So write down this answer in your notebook. They closed early and locked up. Okay, now question number 3, which is find the words on the left in the passage which word or phrase from right can replace each one without changing the meaning. Okay, this question will be done on your book. You are not required to write down this on your notebook. आपको 2 बॉक्सेस गिवन हैं. फर्स्ट बॉक्स में कुछ वर्ड्स हैं और सेकंड में कुछ वर्ड्स हैं. आपने सेम मीनिंग्स वाले वर्ड्स को मैच कर लेना है विद अ लाइन. So come to students book, and you will match the words with a line. Bulletin means news report. Match the bulletin with news report. Next word is baton. Match the word with fasten. इसका मतलब होता है बंधा हुआ या एक जगह पे फिक्स किया हुआ, या कहीं पे जैसे उन्होंने नेल्स के साथ वो जो प्लाईवुड के स्ट्रिप्स थी उनको फिक्स कर दिया था ना नेल्स के साथ, उसके लिए वर्ड यूज़ हुआ है बैटन एंड इट मीन्स फास्टन. फ्लरी. फ्लरी मीन्स सडन रश, हरीली कुछ भी करना, तेज़ी तेज़ी से भागम भाग में कुछ करना. सो match flurry with sudden rush. Next is set about. Set about means to start, so match it with begin. Okay, now come to question number 4, which is why do you think the family is buying these groceries? काशिफ सोच रहा था ना कि वो कुछ एक्स्ट्रा ग्रोसरीज क्यों बाय कर रहे हैं, तो क्यों वो एक्स्ट्रा चीज़ें बाय कर रहे थे? So that they will have extra food in case they can't get to shop. यानी कि सपोज़ अगर वो जो स्टॉर्म है वो बहुत सारे डेज़ कंटिन्यू रहता है तो उनकी कहीं ग्रोसरी ख़त्म ना हो जाए, इसलिए वो ज़्यादा ग्रोसरीज बाय कर रहे थे. सो दैट दे विल हैव एक्स्ट्रा फूड इन केस दे कांट गेट टू द शॉप. अगर वो शॉप पे नहीं जा सकते तो उनके पास कुछ एक्स्ट्रा ग्रोसरीज होनी चाहिए. सो प्लीज़ राइट डाउन दिस आंसर इन योर नोटबुक. Okay, come to question number 5. When does Kashif's family usually do shopping? काशिफ की फैमिली यूजुअली कब शॉपिंग करते हैं? ये तो स्टॉर्म का वो अनाउंसमेंट की वजह से उन्होंने हरीली शॉपिंग की है ना, तो यूजुअली वो कब शॉपिंग करते हैं? You can find the answer in first paragraph where it is written that although it wasn't Saturday. तो यहाँ से हमें पता चल रहा है कि वो ग्रोसरी कर रहे थे although it wasn't Saturday. अभी सैटरडे नहीं था और फिर भी वो ग्रोसरी कर रहे थे. यहाँ से हमें पता चला कि यूजुअली वो सैटरडे को ग्रोसरी करते हैं. सो द आंसर इज़ देयर द फैमिली यूजुअली डज द शॉपिंग ऑन सैटरडेज. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ विच फ्रेज टेल्स यू डैट. आपको कैसे पता चला कि वो सैटरडे को शॉपिंग करते हैं? सो हमें कैसे पता चला? हमें इस फ्रेज से पता चला जो कि है although it was not Saturday. So please write down these questions and answers in your notebook neatly. Dear students, please make sure that you are writing them neatly. आपकी लेटर फॉर्मेशन प्रॉपर होनी चाहिए, लाइंस का प्रॉपर आपने ख्याल करना है और आपकी पेंसिल शार्प होनी चाहिए. आपने रफ़ या अनटाइडी वर्क नहीं करना है, मार्जिन लाइन लगी हुई होनी चाहिए और आपका क्वेश्चन वर्क प्रॉपरली नीट होना चाहिए. Okay, next question is they are doing the washing because. This question will not be written in your notebook because you will need to mark tick on the correct option. So 3 options are given and the first option is they may not be able to wash their clothes again for a long time. They want clean clothes to put on if the neighbors come, or their clothes are dirty from working on the house. जी, वो वॉशिंग क्यों कर रहे थे? क्योंकि वो बहुत दिनों तक वॉश नहीं कर पाएंगे, या इसलिए कि वो उनके अगर नेबर्स उनके घर आ जाए तो फिर उन्हें पहनना पड़ेंगे, या इसलिए कि उनके क्लोथ्स जो हैं वो डर्टी हो गए हैं. क्यों वो अपने क्लोथ्स वॉशिंग कर रहे थे? Because they may not be able to wash their clothes again for a long time. So option A is correct. Mark tick on the option A. Have you done? That's fine. Question number 8 is how did Kashif feel at the end of the passage? Which words tell you that? जब ये पैसेज एंड होता है तो हाउ इज़ काशिफ फीलिंग? ही वॉज अ लिटल worried and it is written in page number 77 on the top that was the first time that Kashif began to feel a little worried, यहाँ से हमें पता चला कि काशिफ क्या है, he was a little worried. Okay, now let's discuss our homework. You are need to open your diary please. जल्दी से अपनी डायरी ओपन करें और होमवर्क नोट करें. Dear students, from questions we have done question 1 till 8 and question number 9 is remaining. So you will write this question and its answer in your homework notebook. And the question is, describe how you would feel if a storm was coming to your area. अगर आपके एरिया में स्टॉर्म आ रहा हो तो आप कैसा फील करेंगे? इसका आंसर आप अपनी होमवर्क नोटबुक में लिखेंगे. You will prepare your homework notebook properly by writing date and day in topic. Then you will write down the question and then its answer. Another homework is from workbook from page number 54, and you will do exercise 1 and 2 on page number 54 of your workbook. Okay dear students, get your homework done by the next lesson and follow all the given instructions. So, and please don't forget to send your notebooks school for checking by following the schedule properly. Good luck dear students. Allah Hafiz.